Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
You start by gathering precise error details so you can target the fix. Open Event Viewer and find the Svchost.exe application error. Note the faulting module, PID, and timestamp. Once done, run System File Checker. Open an elevated command prompt and run sfc/scano, then dism/online/cleanupimage/restore health to repair corrupt system files. This clears common causes and gives you diagnostic evidence. Make sure to record any error codes so the next steps are focused and efficient. Now you isolate which service inside Svchost is failing. Use Task Manager or run tasklist/svc and match the PID to service names. Once identified, stop the service or set it to manual temporarily, then restart to see if the error returns. Make sure to update device drivers and install pending Windows updates because driver conflicts often trigger Svchost crashes. If the crash stops, you've narrowed the root cause. Otherwise, proceed to advanced cleanup and malware scans to rule out deeper system infection. Finish with advanced remediation and a safe rollback strategy. Run a full antivirus and anti-malware sweep, using Windows Defender offline when necessary to catch persistent threats. Once clean, create a system restore point and back up your data before any registry edits or service reconfigurations. If system files remain damaged or errors persist, perform an in-place repair or clean reinstall of Windows as a last resort. If things go wrong, restore from the backup or restore point and document changes to repeat a safe recovery.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.